Hello, this is Pikachu 20,000. I am here with Meowth, and we are back in Pokemon Court. Because in the last video we saw, he was selling the April Fool's video. So yeah, we're just going to be back in Pokemon Court. Pikachu, can I just show something? What? See his new male chains on? His little male bars on me? They didn't have any handcuffs. Or rope, so he just had to do this, and it's really tight. Okay, Judge Oshawott, what are you going to do to him? Meowth, I hereby sentence you to stay in solitary confinement in the Pokemon Juvenile Detention Center. Okay, wait, what? You're putting me in solitary confinement with a bunch of other brats? Not brats, but juvenile delinquents. Aw, come on! Can't you do anything else, like give me community service or something? But it's either they go to Pokemon, it's either go to Juvie for the month of April, or not be in a YouTube video until summer break. It's your choice. Fine, I'll go to Juvie. Okay, that's good. Pikachu, could you escort him to Pokemon Juvie? Sure. Is it going to be long? No, it's just a short place, so, just come on. But I don't want to go. You have to. I don't want to. Meowth. You have to, but I don't want to. Come with me, or I'm going to Iron Tail you. Come on. Meowth. Not coming. That's it. Iron Tail. Ugh! Come on! Oh, no! I want to go! There's no way he'll be able to get out of solitary confinement. So yeah, the next when I get enough money, I will go up to Target and buy some more Pokemon plushes. That's right, new members. So well, bye for now. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Pokemon Court. Of course, this isn't no second case or anything. It's just Pikachu and Meowth returning. So yeah, bye for now.